Module for managing tables and range data. Whether your data range is small or gigantic, analyzing data can be a manual and time-consuming process. Knowing how to turn data and a data range into a table makes the process much more efficient. It provides you with options to sort, filter, and perform calculations faster. In this module, you will turn a data range into a table. You will add a style to the table. Change the color of the table borders, add a banded row background color effect. Emphasize first or last rows, and include a total row. Along the way, as questions come up about the table data, you will apply a filter or sort to group data in a way that best answers your questions. Some workbooks are large and contain many tables across many worksheets. In this case, you will give a table a name for ease of navigation. In other cases, a table is no longer needed, and you will need to turn it back into a data range. Lesson 1: Understanding tables and ranges. Topic 1: Format data as a table and change the style. To create a table without a style applied, select a cell within your worksheet data range. Select the Insert tab, go to the Tables group, and then select Table. The Create Table dialog box displays the Where is the data for your table field displays the range. If changes are needed to the range, select the range of cells in the worksheet or modify the range in the dialog box field. Indicate if the table has headers by selecting the My Table Has Headers checkbox. By default, a table has a header row. Every table column has filtering enabled in the header row so that you can filter or sort your table data quickly. Then select OK. Or select a cell within your worksheet data range. Select Ctrl-A from your keyboard, then select Ctrl-T. To create a table with a style applied at the same time, select the cell or the data range. Then, on the Home tab, go to the Styles group, and then select Format as Table. The Styles gallery appears with 3 categories of styles to choose from: light, medium, and dark. Select a style that is appropriate for the worksheet and overall workbook style. In the Format as Table dialog box, set the cell range. Indicate whether the table has headers by selecting the My Table Has Headers checkbox. And then select OK. When a cell in a table is selected, by design, the Table Tools Design contextual ribbon displays. The application indicates a table has been selected, and it presents all the table commands in one ribbon. This makes it convenient for you to customize table styles, table options, and other formatting quickly. For now, let's focus on the Table Styles group. If the table created doesn't already have a style applied or you need to change the current style that has been applied, you can select a new style from the Table Styles group. For example, you know your boss dislikes purple and you want to select another color. To change the style, select a style to update the table. Note when you select a cell outside of the table area, the design ribbon disappears. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Convert a table into a range. Keep learning.